Okay guys, welcome back and let's learn lesson 26. Where is it? Hamda birinci 26 ders where is it? Demek bu şu 25 dersimiz o'rgangan eng muhim bo'lgan javharlarni bir qatam takrorlab o'tamiz savolashlar. Birinchi so'z nima deysanglar? Where. Okay. Ans qaranglar. Where. Where deganimiz nima deysanglar? Qayerda? Masalan, she's in the kitchen. Tushunami? Ana buni savolga aylantirsak bo'ldim bo'ldirsanglar, is she in the kitchen? U oshxonadami? Okay. Ana bu where ni almashtirib etsakchi. O'sha the kitchen deganga. Bu nima bo'ldi desanglar, shuning bilan bu aylanadiki where is she? Where is she? Demek hamda o'sha oddiy savol jumlani alayda savol jumlaga aylantirib etsak. Demakki in the kitchen o'rniga where ni almashtirib etsak nima bo'ldi? Bu alayda bir savol jumlaga aylandi. Where is she? Where is she? The book is on the desk. Mesela man solga aylantirib berganlar. Solga aylantirsak BP'ni nega o'tib qolgan? Asan, nima bo'ldi? Is the book on the desk? Hamda misharga on the desk nima? Where ni almashtirib etsak, nima bo'ldi desanglar? Where is the book? Okay. Where is the book? Demek hamda shu where bilan boshlangan alayda savol jumlaga qanday qiladi desanglar, almashtir. Demak where degan nima? Qayerda. Okay, where are you? Siz qayerda? Where is my cat? Mushkim qayerda? Where are they? Ular qayerda? Demek hamda shu igisiga asosan bo'ladi, you kelsa are keladi, uchinchi shaxs birlik bo'lsa is keladi degandek. Ko'plik bo'lsa masalan are keladi. And where is his house? Where is his house? Uningki uy qayerda? Where is your friend? Do'stingiz qayerda degandek. And in degancha ichida. Okay? In hammasini nima desanglar in. Okay, a rabbit is in the hat. The rabbit in the hat. Nimaninki? Shlapining ichida. Tushunami? A rabbit is not in my hat. Is not in my hat deganga. Okay. A cat in the hat. Nima? A cat yoki is in the hat. Mo'zining ichida deganda. Tushunami? Okay, masalan his book is in your bag. Uning kitobi sizniki sumkangizda. Macho. Where is in my new bag? You know, where is my new bag? Sorry, in khata o'qibdi yana. Where is my new bag? The dog is not in his hat. Okay, and nima? Shit uningki shlapsda yoki qalbqida emas. Okay. Their watch is in my desk. Okay, and meninki partamdan ichida nima bor? Ularninki soati. Their watch. Tushunami? My pen is in her pencil case. Okay, and then meninki nima pen? Qalamim bo'lsa narikin uninki pencil case. Merk pencil case deganimiz savolashlar qalam solgan qopqichi bor, shuni pencil case deymiz. Your bananas are in the box. Sizning bananangiz uning nimada deydi. Okay. Endi savolashlar qaranglar. Give me a book deb turibdi. Which book? The book on the table. Tushunami? The book on the table. Okay, endi uni qaranglar. Buni o'zgartirib baqsaq, shuni ni d ga o'zgartirib qo'yganlar. Masalan, is there a book on the table? Yes, there is. Is the book red? Tushunami? Solg'aylansa. Masalan, give me an egg. Which egg? Okay. Amsa, nima deymiz? The egg on the plate. The egg on the plate. Neriki? Taqsirki deganga. And then miyariki box on the floor large. Buni ulgu misol qarab baqsaq nima desanglar? There is a box on the floor. The box is large. Mushundan asosan qanday qilmaymiz desanglar ishlaymiz. Masalan, pencil on the desk. Tushunami? Buni qilishliganda nima desanglar? O'xshashlar. There is a pencil on the desk. The pencil is nima? Blunt. King's box on the floor large. Buni nima deymiz? Bir talba. There is a box on the floor. The box is large. The fork on the tin, dirty or clean. Dirty. Okay, and there is a fork on the tin. The fork is dirty. Xo'sh, hamsa shuningga ulgu misollarga asosan savolashlar sizlar shuni keyingi mashqni bir ishlab chiqsanglar, shuni ishlab qila olsanglar shuncha yaxshi. Alright? That's all for today. See you next time. Goodbye.